Okay, what is up there, YouTube? This is J-Man Time, and today I have a video on some rare weapons, mostly armored fighting vehicles, that are currently being manufactured by a country, or at least a almost unrecognized country, that many of you have heard of from a long-forgotten conflict. And that country is the Republik of Srpska. Yes, the Republic of Srpska, an entity or an unrecognized state that exists within the state of Bosnia and Herzegovina, is now manufacturing some of its own armored fighting vehicles and some small infantry weapons, mostly personal defense weapons. And this originally started back in the year of 2019 and is still ongoing as of the year 2025. Now, Republika Srpska was originally an entity that formed during the civil war in Yugoslavia, most notably the Bosnian War of 1992 through 1996. And during that conflict, the Republika Srpska fought against the Bosnian and Croatian forces during that conflict, along with the Croatian Republic of Herzegovina. Now, at the end of that war, the Republic of Srpska was reincorporated into Bosnia, but still technically exists as a separate state from the main Bosnian government. And since the year of 2019, the Republika Srpska has started manufacturing their own infantry fighting vehicles and at least one infantry weapon for export to other countries that buy weapons mostly from Bosnia, or countries that want to buy weapons from the unrecognized state of the Republika Srpska. So let's go over these new weapons and vehicles manufactured in the Republika Srpska. The first vehicle actually has a funny name, and that is the Republic of Srpska Despot, or the TRB Despot. Despot is a 4x4 armored personnel carrier that was unveiled in the year of 2019 and is currently in limited production for both the Republic of Srpska but also for the nation of Ethiopia, as Ethiopia is the first country to buy this vehicle. Several other nations have also showed interest in this vehicle, namely Namibia, Tanzania, Israel, and Russia. But currently, only two nations, the Republic of Srpska itself, and Bosnia, and also the nation of Ethiopia, are the only ones to use this vehicle. This 4x4 armored personnel carrier again was unveiled in 2019. It has a remote-controlled weapon system that can be fitted with either one 12.7mm DSHK or NSV heavy machine gun, or one American-made M2 Browning heavy machine gun, or M85 heavy machine gun. And it can be fitted with one 7.62mm justified M84 light machine gun, or one American M240 light machine gun. It could also be fitted with one 30 or 40mm automatic grenade launcher, either an AGS-17 or an American Mark 19 grenade launcher. And the vehicle overall weighs 14 tons. Its armor is Stanag level 4, 5, 6, 9, level 2, and 3. And this vehicle has a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour or 74.5 miles per hour. Its crew capacity is 2 to 3. It can carry upwards to 7 to 8 troops. This vehicle has been in limited production since the year of 2019. Currently, about 12 to 30 of these vehicles serve in the police/special anti-terrorist unit of the Republika Srpska, with another 10 to 20 vehicles being exported to Ethiopia. Currently, again, the nations of Namibia, Tanzania, Israel, and Russia, and even South Africa have shown interest in buying this vehicle. Those nations might be purchasing this Despot vehicle in the future. The next vehicle on the list is an even more advanced vehicle known as the Vihor MRAV, or the 4x4 multi-rolled armored vehicle. This was also unveiled in 2019 and entered production between the years of 2020 and 2021. It is a light multi-rolled armored vehicle, almost like a light version of a Humvee or the light infantry mobile vehicles you see currently being used in Ukraine. For example, the Italian Lynx or the Russian Gas Tiger series of infantry mobile vehicles. This vehicle here also comes with a remote weapon stations that can be armed with one 12.7mm machine gun, either the aforementioned DSHK, NSV, M2 Browning, or M85 machine gun, and one 7.62mm machine gun, either a Zestava M84 or any of the Western light machine guns, along with one 40mm grenade launcher or 30mm grenade launcher. In a South African-made Rose M14 modular multi-purpose weapon station, which is the weapon station fitted to this vehicle. The vehicle overall weighs 8 tons and also has the Stanag 4569 level 2 and 3 armor protection. It also has a speed of around 120 kilometers per hour or 74.5 miles per hour, but has a smaller crew capacity of 2 and can carry upwards to 4, the Vihor. Vihor is currently only being used by the Republika Srpska, but might be exported to the nations mentioned earlier on this list, like Ethiopia, for example, and Namibia. So far, I have not seen any sales to those countries yet. And the final weapon on this list, actually a handgun. The Republika Srpska is now trying to manufacture infantry weapons, and the first weapon to be on the field back in 2019 to 2020 was the Republika Srpska made RS9 Vampir, or Vampir. The Vampir is a 9mm semi-automatic handgun. It is chambered for the 9x19mm parabellum. This weapon system here is fitted with an 18-round magazine. It is very similar to the Zestiba series of semi-automatic handguns manufactured in Serbia. They were originally manufactured in the Yugoslavia before the collapse of Yugoslavia in 1991. The weapon system here has become the standard handgun, or at least one of the standard handguns used by both the Republika Srpska. Some of these handguns are also used by the Bosnian police and the Bosnian military. So far, I have not seen any information on any exports of the Republika Srpska made RS9 Vampir semi-automatic pistol. And that's basically it. These are the first weapons to be manufactured by the Republika Srpska since the end of the Bosnian War in the late 1990s. If all goes well, this will be the first time that a barely recognized state or an unrecognized country has begun exporting weapons and vehicles to outside nations. Most of those nations don't even recognize the Republika Srpska, and it's kind of funny when you think about it. Now, most of these weapon systems are also being marketed via Bosnia itself. So when you order some of these weapon systems, or if you see some of these weapon systems in a catalog, they are sometimes listed as products of Bosnia and Herzegovina. And if I had to choose one of these weapon systems, I would choose the Vihor, as it is the more advanced looking combat vehicle of the two vehicles on this list. It is the newest one, so obviously the newer vehicle is going to be better than the older models. But what do you all think of this? Please tell me in the comment section below. Until next time, this was J-Man Time signing off.